Now let's talk about some of the prerequisites for Databricks. There are three prerequisites, so to say. The first one is Spark, and Spark is very important because the foundation of Databricks is Spark. As I had already told you that Databricks started with Spark, and Databricks was created by the creators of Spark, or was founded by the creators of Spark. So you need to know Spark. If you do not know Spark, then I would not recommend you to go through this course or even continue this course going forward. But there's an option. If you know Spark, you can use this course, which is in my website www.3iam.in. Let me show you what this course is about. And in this course, you'll find all the details of Spark. The total duration of the course is around 51 hours, 52 hours rather. You do not have to go through each and everything. The reason it is 52 hours because I have gone too deep into this, into Spark here. So if you want to master Spark, definitely I would recommend you this course because the content of this course is very exhaustive. There are 33 modules or 33 sections. There are prerequisites which are available for free. And in this course, I have talked about the introduction of Spark, how Spark works, the transformations and actions, partitions, etc. etc. And there are approximately 10 projects also in this course. And I've got very good feedback from the students or from the participants who have taken this course. This is the price of the course, but if you enroll for Databricks, you can get the course at 45% discount if you use this promo code SparkDBXIN. And using this promo code, you can get 45% discount on this course price. Now, this is only applicable for the students who have enrolled for the Databricks course. So whatever cost that you see in the website, it would be reduced by 45%. So you can go and buy this course if you do not know Spark. If you already know Spark, then you do not have to buy this course. You can continue with the Databricks course itself. The second prerequisite is, of course, SQL. Now, SQL is the programming language for data. So if you do not know SQL, again, it would be very difficult for you to get into a data engineering role. And I have a course available for SQL also, and this is free. You do not have to pay any amount. You can go to my website and just enroll in the course for free. And here I have talked about SQL basic to advanced features using PostgreSQL only. The third prerequisite is Python, because we'll be using PySpark rather than Scala. The reason I'll be using PySpark because PySpark is more popular than Scala owing to the fact that all the machine learning and GenAI libraries are on Python. That's why you have to know Python. And if you do not know Python, again, you can go to my website and enroll in this course for free. You do not have to pay any amount. So make sure you have all these three prerequisites. If you don't have these prerequisites, I would recommend you not to continue with the course. And if you know basics of Python and basics of SQL, that is fine. Even basics of Spark would also do. But if you want to know details of Spark, go ahead and use the promo code SparkDBXIN to buy the course at 45% discount. So that's all about introduction to Databricks. Now I'll get into the real stuff.